Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big little CoinsKid crew. So one thing we have got here for XRP, obviously at the moment, this inverse correlation is playing out like an absolute boss. So what we've got here for the DXY, we did coil up when we broken out, and on XRP we put in a double top and then we dropped. But you can clearly see at the moment where we found support is on that wick high. Look at that. We've come all the way down to the wick high and then we're coming back up. So at the minute, I wouldn't get too bullish on XRP just yet. Okay, and people say I'm a perma bear and things like that. But what we definitely want to see, an inverse correlation to the DXY, is exactly what we've seen there to confirm the bottom of the correction. What we got was the closes and the loss of support on the daily EMAs, and at that point as well, what we did, if you take a look, we got resistance, 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 and eventually when we broke this resistance just there, that was your opportunity. Okay, that was a confirmation statement. So at the minute I would be patient, because just like this day, just like this downtrend here from the January high, it was in that correction coming back. It wasn't until we took out and closed above that level of resistance that we got the confirmed bottom, and equally we broke down on the daily EMAs for the DXY as well. So this inverse correlation continues for me. I think that what we've got possibly today, people are feeling a bit of FOMO. I think you're looking at some kind of little bull trap, just like these wicks here, okay, when people are getting really bullish. But what we did, we closed below this trend line. So until we start to take out this trend line, for me, I still think XRP is caught in a correction. It's still a short opportunity for me going forward, okay. And again, obviously I could be completely wrong. If the bottom's in and right now we've got a 1 2 3 4 5, we put a 5-wave move in there, then this begins to say, okay, well, we've got an impulsive wave 1 off this low. You've got 5 ways to the upside, then you look for a correction coming back, holding this neckline, and then that could be your go signal to go again. And then we look for the confluence in the DXY and the fact that it's breaking down. But at the minute, I think the DXY is looking pretty tasty, and you've got this big move, you're calling up, you're breaking out, looking for support, looking for continuation before you do begin to break down below the EMAs, okay. So it's at that point I would expect, if we do break down in the DXY, I would expect XRP to break out this white line wherever it is. So if we are just going through this correction, okay, we've got this impulsive move, corrective move coming all the way back down to this green line, and we've got this impulsive move, we've got this corrective move that's just resistance coming all the way back down to this green line. We can clearly see towards the end of June, we could get some decision here for XRP if it fails to break this white line anytime soon. So you've got this resistance, close above, go long. Resistance until you close above. That's not the time to go long. Okay, so the whole way down there we got little bull traps, didn't we? And they were just fantastic short opportunities with your stop loss on the previous swing high, and that's what we did. We rode the shorts all the way down like an absolute boss. It's the only time that we sort of went long with a life savings was when we got the confirmation there, breaking above the white line, and equally if you take a look above, we closed below and lost the support of the daily EMAs. So that gives us a projection to the downside on DXY and gave us a projection to the upside for XRP right there. So in a minute I would just be patient and wait for this daily close. I think obviously if we do start to come up and we take out this high here at 04766 and we close outside of this level of resistance, we'd have to start to readjust this particular scenario of the fact that this could actually be the bottom there for XRP. And we've got a 1 2 3 4 5. We've got a nice little impulsive move for XRP, a 5-wave move, which could actually be the beginning of an impulsive wave for XRP, breaking resistance and falling back to support. So until then I'd still remain short, unfortunately. Take care everyone, hope you understand the update. But right now I am going away for a week to Turkey, so the updates will be a bit hit and miss, but I will keep you updated as best I can. Okay, stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, bye bye.